All right, so we've had to pull out this hard drive format the hard drive. I actually flashed Arch Linux. Um, I had to download a torrent client, download torrent files. I downloaded Kubuntu and Arch Linux, and the reason I picked Arch Linux is because it has the it's not showing up in the camera, but the Arch Linux is in blue lettering. So I had to. I couldn't get this thing to start. It was like not reading anything. So this is totally what I remember of other types of Linux looking like when they start. Um, they're all kind of different. Um, it's kind of funny, you know. I remember going to a computer repair guy back in 2004, 2005. And, you know, he would say, Linux is just a toy. So I gotta see what the hell does this say here. Arch Linux, to install Arch Linux, follow the installation guide for Wi-Fi authentication, blah, blah, blah. After connecting to the internet, installation can be accessed via convenience script installation guide. Now I've got to go into here and figure out, because I typed in this IWCTL, and what it told me is network is not enabled. Alright, so this is over my head. I'm not even going to bother to try this. They want you to do a whole bunch of script crap in order to get it to run. I mean, like, why can't you just, you know, run it automatically? Why do I need to do all this crap? So I'm not going to sit here and type in command codes to partition the drive and figure out where it's going to mount and do all this and update the clock and connect to the internet and verify the boot, start your console keyboard layout. I mean, this is just a bunch of crap. So this was a huge waste of my damn time. So we'll have to go back to the Kubuntu, which means I got to go back into this computer, and then I'll pull the drive out and I'll flash Kubuntu to one of the drives. So here we go again, and apparently the file that I thought I had, well, it was 327 kilobytes, so we know that's not the damn file. So, guys, I have literally spent all day since about 2 o'clock, and it's almost midnight now, just trying to do this basic crap. And I've said it before, if you really want to waste some time, this is the way to do it, man. But anyway, it's all in good fun, and I do enjoy tinkering, so no biggie. So Arch Linux is just going to be too complicated for me to install. I need something with a graphical user installation. I'm just not up to the code stuff, so I will have to get into here and do all that, and probably need 2 computers open at the same time. I want to use this 500 gigabyte solid state drive. I also need to look for a couple more of these. These were, that one was, I don't remember, it was kind of expensive when I bought it at Walmart, but I see that there are some really, really cheap ones on Amazon. So I think I'm going to look for one for the other computer, and I think this one here, I'm probably going to go ahead and, if I can get it going, I'll get Kubuntu on the hard drive in here and then on here. So hopefully that won't be too big of a deal.